Volleyball is a team sport played with a round ball, where two teams of 6 pairs each attempt to score points by hitting the ball over a net while preventing the opposing team from doing the same. Just like other sports, volleyball also requires safety measures or protocols for the players to prevent injury or to have wellness while playing it.
First, you should execute some warm-ups for 15 to 20 minutes like jumping jacks, jogging, arm circles, hip rotations, and many more to prevent immediate injuries. Second, hydrate yourself 16 to 30 minutes before playing volleyball. Third, you should check your nutrition. Eat balanced snacks or meals that are rich in proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. And lastly, execute mental preparation and achieve this by focusing on positive self-talk, visualization, and execute breathing exercises to calm nerves.
We are done with the proper wellness tips before playing volleyball. Then let's proceed on playing and know the proper wellness tips while playing volleyball.
The one I'm going to mention are some tips to ensure wellness while playing volleyball. First, you must stay hydrated, drink water every 15 to 20 minutes. Second, listen to your body. You should rest if you are experiencing pain, dizziness, or fatigue. Third, learn how to communicate to your teammates. Call timeouts to prevent possible bad occurrences such as fainting. Fourth, while playing volleyball or any sport, you should execute or maintain proper technique, posture, footwork, and hitting technique to avoid injuries and strains. And lastly, promote positive attitude towards your teammates and promote teamwork and collaboration towards each other.
Feeling tired after playing volleyball? Well, Chloe and Hipe will give us some tips for proper wellness after playing volleyball.
First, learn how to cool down, execute some static stretching, and rest to prevent fainting. Second, hydrate yourself. Drink 16 to 20 ounces of water 30 minutes after playing volleyball. Third, refuel yourself by consuming or eating some balanced snacks or meals that are rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Fourth, monitor yourself if you have serious injuries. Apply some ice if necessary and seek medical attention if severe to prevent some conditions to get worse. And lastly, relax yourself by engaging in calm activities to reduce muscle tensions.
Now you know some tips to achieve proper wellness before, during, and after playing volleyball. So please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button to receive any updates here in our channel. I am Lionel C. Argilias and this is Peach Talk.